To utilize Express Cash, one must first earn points by shopping and reviewing clothing items on Express, which can eventually be converted into Express Cash. Once the email notification is received, stating that Express Cash has been posted to the account, the process of using it can begin. This involves going to the Express Insider website or launching the Express app on a mobile device, then signing in to the account and proceeding to shop as usual. After adding items to the cart, one can proceed to checkout, where they can click the Apply button next to their Express Cash, resulting in the credited dollar amount being deducted from the order's purchase amount. However, there are some limitations to using Express Cash. It cannot be used to purchase gift cards or boxes, nor can it be applied to shipping fees or sales taxes. By following these simple steps, it is possible to use Express Cash rewards efficiently.